Recent changes to the National Construction Code means that automatic fire sprinklers are now mandatory in all new apartments of 4 stories or more. Furthermore, in these buildings up to 25 metres in height, fire sprinklers can be serviced by the building's potable water supply, connected via Watermark certified plumbing systems. Now that's where REHAU comes in. REHAU's REHAU PEX-A plumbing system has set the benchmark in plastic piping technology in Australia for over 30 years. Its proven reliability, simplicity and high performance, along with its extensive range and availability, makes REHAU the ideal solution for fire sprinkler connections in apartment buildings. Our team of engineering personnel and technical representatives can provide design support for designers and installation training for licensed plumbing contractors wishing to extend their skills into fire sprinkler installations. Contact your local REHAU representative or visit myrehau.com to find out more.